turning your engine 39V17 engine turn. Engine is turning good. Compressor here is good, no damage, no broken. Same as well the alternator here, very nice, very good. Everything from this side is good, didn't see any damages. Starter good, no problem. And from this side, the turbo is spin very good, no up and down. I can show you from this side, clear to see. Yes, good, no problem. And there is no up and down, very good, very nice. And everything from this side is good. Throttle body, no damage, no broken. Down here, the oil sump and the gearbox good, no damage, no broken. And the engine is turning good.